Hi there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Palantir Technologies. This is ticker PLTR. Palantir has been grinding sideways, as you can see, right above this black line. That's the 100 exponential period moving average. But for most of August and even into September here, you can see that it's had trouble with the red line. That's the 50-day moving average. And so this is a clear level that I think this stock has to get above and stay above before it's ready to break out. Otherwise, it's just going to chop around here for a little while. But I think that level is pretty important. So I think it makes sense to set an alert on your software right around that 1630 level or just below, like I'm doing right now, and looking for a strong move above that level coming on higher than average volume. Now, I'm going to delete that or just move this here for a second. What I really want to point out is the fact that the 50-day moving average is starting to flatten out. Now, that's really good because we want to see prices hold above and around key moving averages like this. That's what the stock did before. Ultimately it did break down, but once it got above and held above and did it on that big volume, it was then off to the races. So that's what I think we should watch for here on Palantir. A strong move and a close above that 50-day coming on higher than average volume. And if that triggers, I think we might just have a nice trade on our hands. So that's what I'm watching for here on Palantir. Wanted to add it to your watch list. And if you want to see what else we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com, click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.